And we're back. Psycho just threw a shoe at Pedro. Now he's picking up Big Jake. Oh, with a big right hand. Oh, throwing him. He just threw him right into the pole. Pedro is holding his jewels. Oh! With a massive choke slam by Psycho to Big J. Oh my lord! With the punches by Pedro. Oh, he just took him into the back room. Oh my god! He's grabbed a golf club. He's hitting him with a golf club. Oh no! Oh! No way! Bone crusher! Oh, with a big bone crusher. The Big J. Pedro could lead right now. But the man Psycho's here. Oh my god, he just... What was that? That was a softball. He just threw a softball. Right to the heart of Pedro. Oh no. Oh my lord. You just hit him with that ball. Showing no remorse as Psycho does. Right hands to everyone. Pedro just pushed it into Jake with a kick. Right to where Psycho threw that ball at Jake. Or Pedro. He just set him down. Psycho was going for something. And oh, he just hit him with that chair. Oh my lord. Massive chair shots by Psycho. Big Jake's picking Pedro up. Big Jake just threw Pedro at Psycho.
You kill him. Well, fine.
Oh my gosh. A JKO. Oh, Jake's landed. Jake's landed. No, he's not. Psycho got him. Jake. Oh my lord. Psycho just threw Jake down the steps. Pedro got JKO'd. Right on the concrete. Oh my gosh. Psycho has a chair. Big Jake's up from that massive slam.
Oh, I was gonna do it to Pedro, but then you ruined my plan, so now it's gonna happen to you.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, Pedro's leaving. Oh, he just threw another ball. Jake just got slammed down on those chairs. He was gonna do it to Pedro, but Jake ruined his play. Oh my lord. He just threw the ball back at Psycho. Oh, and the elbow drop to Jake. What is Pedro doing? What is Pedro doing? Oh my god! With a coup de grace type move. Right to Jake. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Psycho has a bat. Oh no. Oh my gosh! Jake dropped the box. I don't know what that's gonna do against Psycho with a bat.
How about we work and get him through this? Put him through this first. Put him through this first.
Jake's trying to negotiate with Psycho. I don't know how well that's gonna work. The only man Psycho seems to be able to negotiate with is David Hayes. But we don't know how steady that relationship is. Hit him with the bat again. Oh my. This is about to happen. Oh no. That box is set up. Jake's moving. Psycho's just standing by and watching. Who knows what Jake's plan here is? Oh no. Oh, Pedro got Jake! Pedro got Jake! He just threw him down. Oh my god, a German suplex to Jake and the box didn't even break! A big German suplex. Oh no. With a big German suplex to Big Jake. Both men are down. I don't know where Psycho went. Jake just got German suplex through a box that didn't even break. Oh no. Oh! A massive back shot to the back and just hit Jake right in the chest with the bat. With a Russian leg sweep to Big Jake. Psycho's just drinking the head. Psycho doesn't care. Oh! I just hit him in the head with the bat. No way! Oh my god! With the massive tombstone pile driver through the ball! Oh! He just hit Psycho with the bat. Jake is dead. Jake has to be dead. Psycho's stirring. Pedro's down. Everybody. These men are not going to leave here 100% at all. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my lord. With that tray, he just smashed it into Pedro's chest. Pedro returning tonight. I don't think this is a good match to return to at all. He's not going to leave this the same as he did when he came in here. Psycho set up the chair. What is he? No way. Oh, the big DDT. All three men are down. Jake is still down. Pedro's down. Psycho's down. Oh. All of these men have been through a lot in their careers, and just through this match alone, Psycho and Pedro are starting to get up. Jake is still down. Oh, leg drop. What is Psycho doing? Oh my god. Just jumped on the Jake. Oh my god. With a big cannonball splash on a Jake and a super kick the Psycho. Is Pedro gonna do it? Is Pedro gonna leave? He did. Oh my gosh. Jake didn't even get off. Oh, Jake's awake now. What a match. Pedro's out of here.